It was the day before Christmas, and the Who's were abuzz, all doing the things that a Christmas Who does. Some were out buying presents, others just milled about. But the whole town felt joyous. Of that, there was no doubt. The weather was perfect, and soon snow would fall. This surely would be the best Christmas of all.
Max! There you are! Check this out! Whoa! I've been making lots of cool... Whoa! Stuff! Ooh, more coffee. It's gonna be a big night. We got all the gizmos and gazmos we need, but we still don't have the proper outfit. Come on, let's do a little stitching.
A gifts I'm preparing for some Christmas sharing, but I pause because hang in my stocking, I can hear 'em knocking. Is that you, Santa Claus?
There's only one thing left to do.
That's him, all right.
Max, do you know what you are? You are a sturdy little fella. And loyal. Very loyal. In fact, I think you're the best dog a Grinch could hope for. And that is why I'm promoting you. Max, you will guide my sleigh tonight. I knew you wouldn't let me down.
It was now Christmas Eve. There was joy in the air, for in just a few hours, Santa Claus would be there. And the gifts would be left, and the stockings all filled, and the anticipation, well, it started to build.
Ozzy, what are you doing?
Trying to get myself tired. All right, 8 hours till Christmas morning. That's 28,800 seconds. Okay, and sleep.
Waffle 1, this is Waffle 2. Are you there? Over.
I read you loud and clear, Waffle 2.
This is Grouper, by the way.
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, I just wanted to wish you good luck with Santa Claus.
Thanks. Talk tomorrow.
So, you got any last-minute wishes for Santa?
Yep, I have one great big wish.
Good, because you deserve everything you want and more.
Thanks, Mom. I want the same thing for you.
How did I end up with such a wonderful daughter?
I don't know. Sometimes you just get lucky.
Well, then I really did.
Me too. I love you, Mom.
I love you, sweetheart. Good night.
Good night.